Assalamualaikum. Here is Hina with English news. First headlines. Opposition decided to bring no confidence motion against NA Speaker Asad Kassar. Opposition parties have decided to bring a no confidence motion against the Speaker National Assembly Asad Kassar after a rumpus in the lower house of the parliament. Bilawal meets Shehbaz to show solidarity over budget speech incident. Chairman Pakistan People's Party Bilawal Bhutto Zardari called on Shehbaz at the Parliament House. Businessman's son's murder. In Karachi, target killing. Unidentified armed motorcyclist opened fire on a vehicle near Jamia Millia College in Karachi's District East, murdering a son of a businessman in what police has now termed as a target killing incident. Pakistan, Saudi Arab flights to resume soon. Pakistan ambassadors in Riyadh, LT General retired Bilawal Akbar said on that Pakistan Saudi Arab flights would resume soon to bring Pakistani workers back to the kingdoms. Economic Coordination Committee meeting approves foreign funding policy for NGOs. Finance Minister Shaukat Tareen chaired a meeting of the Economic Coordination Committee and decided to provide additional wheat to the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province. NAB given last chance to forward arguments on Asif's bail plea. The Lahore High Court directed the NAB prosecutor to forward his arguments on a bail plea of Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz MNA Khwaja Asif in a assets beyond means case. This is the end of today's English news. Stay tuned with CID News Network Islamabad. Take care and goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.